Mark, are you in here?
Oh shit, Bird. I thought you weren't going to be here until 4.
It's 4:30 right now.
Oh. It is going to be really good for you to get out of the city. A man can't get any thinking done there. Got rats the size of dogs, dogs the size of rats. Can I get you a beer?
That would be great. You really like living out here?
No, I don't like it here. It sucks. But it sucks quietly. Sucks honestly. My grandma gives me such a good deal on this apartment, I couldn't afford to live anywhere else.
Your grandma? She's still alive? Wasn't she like 90 back when we were in high school?
Yeah, she is 104 years young, and you know what? She is sexier now than she's ever been.
Hot damn. I think I'm gonna go upstairs and crash. It's been a long day.
Okay. Hey, remember if you hear a sound like a crying child, that's a peacock.
Okay, brother.
And don't be thinking about my grandma.
No promises. What the fuck? Hello? Where are you? I can hear you chirping, and when I find you, we're gonna have a serious talk about boundaries. Fuck, cut shit down!
I don't know what to tell you. We're in the country. There are going to be animals.
Yeah, outside. That's where animals belong, outside.
It's not a big deal. There's a bird in the house. It's not like there's a rat walking around.
Yeah, I mean, it's better than a rat. At first, it was just making the noise, but they're building a fucking nest in there.
Aw.
It's not cute. As soon as it moves from outside to inside, it is an act of fucking war.
You sound like a crazy person right now.
How did it even get in there?
From the vent on the side of the house.
You knew about this? For how long?
Of course I knew about it. Have you heard how loud they are?
For how long?
I'm gonna argue about this with you.
Hello, Mr. Bird. Good morning, Vietnam. I drink your milkshake. See that? See your dumb, stupid dead bird babies? Pow, pow. That's due to the back of your dome piece, dog. I'll block the vents if I have to.
You can't block the vents. The smoke won't have anywhere to go.
Well, I'll put fly traps and glue paper inside.
Then we'll have an angry, shrieking bird in the vent, and then we'll have a dead, rotting bird in the vent.
Oh, whatever. It's rebuilt. It's rebuilt.
Jesus Christ, dude. What are you calling?
Exterminator? Someone I should have called a long time ago. Yes, hello? Yeah, I've got a problem with a bird, possibly several birds. Yeah, yes, please send someone over as soon as you can. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, bye.
Do you know how fucking ridiculous it is how bent out of shape you're getting about this?
Listen, I'm not being ridiculous. You think it's okay it goes around squawking just because it's not a rat or a cockroach.
A what?
Oh, thank goodness you are here. I think they've gotten into the walls.
Mr. Bernard Rollins?
I know that birds aren't capable of malice.
Make no mistake, although the bird heart is small, it can be just as black and filled with just as much hate and darkness as the fiercest apex predator. All right, bird, shake your ass and show me what you're working with. Okay, all right.
That's it. I'm not gonna just stand here while this hollow bone cunt flies in the face of me and America and the dream of home ownership.
Okay. Where are you going?
Somewhere I should have gone a long time ago, okay? The house is under siege. We're in danger of becoming an aviary. Desperate times call for desperate measures. If we don't do this, there might as well not even be any house left. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna douse his nest. So that when he wakes up in the morning like he does every morning, it'll be so full of carcinogenic chemicals that it'll die immediately or soon after from some kind of necrotic bird lymphoma.
Do you even know what's in this shit?
Yeah, bird killer.
I think you need to see a doctor.
What do you mean, like a bird doctor?
No, not a fucking bird doctor. I'm talking about like a psychotherapist.
How are you making this about me? Yeah, I'm having a hard time. I haven't slept in like 4 days, but I'm dealing with an insane situation the best way that I can.
Just promise me not to fuck with any of